Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. I have a lot of really great stuff to say today because it is my first anniversary on Patreon. I started it 1 year ago on June 9th of 2020. So a couple things I want to go over is why I believe Patreon has been monumentally important as to why I've been so successful. So let me go through that list. So the first thing and the first reason why I believe I've been so successful is Patreon brings legitimacy to my page and to my name. It really helps me establish ground in the music education world and on YouTube. It really just brings a different level of understanding to my audience and to my fans and my students as to the importance of what I'm doing. Patreon also shows how many people actually trust me by donating regularly to what I am doing here. Again, as a donation-based studio, it's really tricky to really convince people that what I'm doing is important and worth their time and their money, right? So by having people sign up as patrons, it shows that there are a bunch of people that really believe in what I'm doing and that they should join as well. Patreon also gives me a chance to really forge strong and solid relationships with my learners as well as my fans, right? So I've got people that donate on a regular basis that they are not taking my lessons at all, but they really believe in my mission. So they want to be a part of making that magic happen, right? So making sure that they feel connected to me, that they feel part of my community is wildly important as well. And that's another reason why Patreon has been so great. Next, the next thing for Patreon is they actually get to see how their donation money is being used every single month, right? So when I come up with new lesson ideas, when I purchase music, when I get new teaching tools and upgrade my internet and get more equipment to help deliver the highest quality piano lessons on YouTube, that's where their money is going, right? They see it every single video and every single lesson. And they value my time as well. So keeping that in mind is really helpful too. And finally, another fantastic and probably the most important reason why I believe Patreon has been so great is it really reminds me on a daily basis why I do what I do, right? I am here providing these lessons on YouTube, piano lessons for free, right? But having a community of people that really believe in me just shows me that what I'm doing is making a difference, right? I know that there are going to be people that cannot donate anything at all, and that's perfectly fine, right? But it's up to us and up to those people that can afford to help support me to do that, right? That way they can see that we are reaching more and more people across the globe, right? I've got all kinds of students from every corner of the world, right? The Philippines, Cambodia, we've got Lesotho, we have Morocco, we have Puerto Rico. We have so many students from all over the world. And those students don't necessarily have the means to donate. So by helping, you're making that magic happen for all of those students. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you very much. Take care and have a lovely day.